Spaghetti squash. Wow. When you go to the supermarket and you buy a spaghetti squash, you look at it and you don't know how delicious it is. What I did, I cut it, I split it in half. I took all the things from inside, and then what I did, I just put olive oil. I didn't put any salt or pepper because I feel like if you just put olive oil, it's gonna cook well. So I put the temperature in the oven 425, and I put it in to bake. Then I made this delicious topping with cherry tomatoes. I used 5 cups of cherry tomatoes. I washed them. Then I took a half a sweet onion, I chopped it, sliced, like I diced it, and I put it right on the tray. Then I took about 10 garlic cloves, I chopped them up, and I put it right on the top. Then I took a can of green lentils, and I took it out of the can and I washed it. Then I put it right on the top. I did a mix, a half a cup of olive oil. I put 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I put 1/4 of a teaspoon of red flakes. Then I put half a teaspoon of dry basil. I put 1 teaspoon of dry parsley. I put a half a teaspoon of dry mint. And I took 2 bay leaves and I put it right on the bottom. Then I put a half a cup of Ponzu sauce. So I let all these things bake together for 1 hour, 425. When I opened the oven, my spaghetti squash, it was ready. Wow, it looks so good. So I took a fork and I just took it out. I put it on the plate. And I took my cherry tomatoes, my lentils, my spices, and I put it on the top. Wow. Man, is that good. And I'm telling you, this meal is out of this world. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to find delicious recipes. My recipes, you're not going to find any white flour, sugar, or bad fats.